Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco M3 Pro and let me show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it to video by using this settings bar and just simply going to left. So here we are. Now let's move to right corner button so we can get access to more options about video we can manage, and move to left side to settings to open them. Here in video mode we have video category at the first place in the settings with image stabilization, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.